Here's some quick advice and a tip if you've updated to WordPress 5 and have found out that when you try and edit your web pages, your visual editor is no longer displaying as it should. This is just a template for a website we're working on. So if I go to click Edit Page in WordPress, what I actually see when I go into the back end is this, which for many people, they just will not know what to do next. And this is a classic case of what WordPress 5 is doing when you've already got a theme installed which comes with another kind of visual editor. So what you want to do is go to Plugins and add New, and you want to look for Classic Editor, and you'll see this one come up, which is from WordPress. It's already had over 1 million installations. Just click Install and then Activate. And once it's activated, you can go and then go back to your front of the site. In this case, this is this page again. I'm going to click Edit, and there you go. You can now see that you've now got back areas of the site where you can now edit as you did before. So if you're having problems with WordPress 5 and your visual editor has disappeared, install the plugin called WordPress Classic Editor and off you go. Thanks very much.